Good day, everyone. My name is Margaret Alandama from BSIT 3C. And today we will tackle about green computing. What is green computing? Green computing refers to environmentally sustainable computing practices and technologies. It aims to reduce the carbon footprints of technology through energy efficiency. This practice also minimizes e-waste by supporting recycling and responsible disposal of electronics. Green computing can reduce energy consumption by 80% in some cases. This significant reduction in energy usage leads to energy operational costs and fewer emissions. Here's are the three examples of green computing practices. Number one is energy efficient devices. Using energy efficient devices reduces power consumption and lower carbon emission. The second one is recycling electronics. Properly recycling electronics minimize e-waste and conserves resources. The last one is reducing paper usage. Encouraging digital documentation cuts down our paper waste and promotes environmental sustainability. Conclusion: implementing green compute, computing practices saves energy and reduces overall environmental impact significantly. By adopting these practices, we can protect our planet for future generations to enjoy. Together, we can make different and encourage others to embrace sustainable technology. And I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more. And thank you.